Hi, my name is Kaushal and I am the founder director of Bubna's IAS Surat. Bubna's IAS is basically an academy where we prepare aspirants for UPSC and GPSC exams. अगर सादी भाषा में बात करें तो हम लोग यहाँ पर विद्यार्थियों को लाल बत्ती वाली नौकरी वाली एग्जाम्स की तैयारी करवाते हैं. The vision and the goal of the academy is to give a platform to the students of Surat where they can prepare for such prestigious examinations and convert their dreams into covenant careers. After passing such examinations, they are given posts in the government of India and for that matter Gujarat, where they can serve the people and also bring a change in the society. With this aim, with this vision, we at Bubna's IAS would like to connect with as many people as possible who have a similar goal. Thank you.